Last year, a number of client organizations greatly appreciated one of our solutions, which is called VIP. And VIP stands for Voice, Identity, and Purpose, especially in the context of developing more women at work. This solution was utilized as a lens for a number of leadership transformation journeys. Now, while we developed VIP to help women at work ensure that there is greater alignment and congruence in terms of getting their voice, amplifying the impact of their voice, creating a sense of identity that resonates and differentiates, and also aligning their current performance, potential, and purpose, and leading more meaningful lives. It was really greatly appreciated by the number of people who went through these journeys, but also the impact customer organizations saw when we approached things using this lens. While we also started with VIP, we also very quickly realized that if we did not prime the system adequately to work along with the women to move up or across in their leadership, we also started working with an inclusive leadership concept on helping, and in traditional parlance, it's called allyship and things like that. But we wanted to move beyond allyship and talk about inclusive leadership. And so while we primed the system with inclusive leadership approaches and ensuring that they understood and started applying that, we helped the women at work using the VIP lens. And both of this lenses brought about a number of transformative journeys. Now, while this was done in a number of organizations internally, we want to now bring this approach to a public program workshop format where we are having inclusive leadership on March 13th and 14th, available as virtual sessions, and VIP Women as an in-person workshop in India, in Bangalore, for 2 days. Now, this has been a truly transformative experience for a number of people and a number of organizations and their systems. Now, it'll be very useful for you to come and apply and learn some of these concepts and take it back and make your lives richer and make your ecosystems richer. We look forward to your participation in both these highly tested and highly meaningful workshops.